Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to make one background color full width but content not exceed its website layout width but other columns show image and image cover full width in Elementor WordPress. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are in Elementor page and then you see plus icon, so click on it and then select flex box and then you see select your structure. Now select two column layout. In one column we will add content, in other column we will add image that cover full width. Now edit, so click on edit container. On left side you see layout, style, advanced. Go to advanced, so you can add some margin on top 50 and then you see padding. First uncheck link value together, now padding 0. Now go to layout and then you see content width box. Now select full width, so our website width is 1200 pixel, so we select content width full width and then we are going to add image first. Click on plus icon. Now you see image widget, so drag and drop here like this. Now image resolution full. Now select image. Now select this image. Now select image edit and then you see container, so click on edit container. Now you see some padding. Go to advanced. Now uncheck link value together. Now you see padding 0 for image. So we are going to add background color, so click on it, edit container, go to style and then you see background type classic color, so you can set color according to requirement. So we added background color on first column and we added image on second column and then we are going to add nested or inner container for first column because we want our content not exceed website width layout. Now click on it. Now you see container layout, drag and drop here. So we are going to add some content now. So we added some content, so click on update first. Now update done, go to Elementor page and refresh the page. Now you see image cover full width but our content exceed website layout. We added background color with nested container. Back to Elementor page. Now you see edit container, so this is our nested container, so click on it. Now go to advanced. If you want you can add some padding, uncheck, so add padding according to requirement and then scroll down, you see CSS classes, so we are going to add class. So we added bgcolorcontent, so this is our class name. Now you see main container, edit container, so click on it. Now go to advanced, so click on it and then scroll down, you see CSS classes, so you can add class, main column, content. So we added classes on main container and nested container, main column content, and we added CSS class in nested container bgcolorcontent. Now click on update. After then we are going to add some CSS. Now go to customize section and we are in additional CSS. Now paste and you will find all the CSS in video description or in comment section. So we added CSS class bgcolorcontent. So we added custom CSS class bgcolorcontent. So we added this class in or nested or inner container and then you see width 600 pixel, maximum width, minimum width. So we added 600 pixel because our website width layout is 1200 pixel. So we are using 50% column width. If your website width layout is 1100 pixel, then you can divide your website width layout by 2 and then you will get your number like 550px. So you can add your website width layout divided by 2 in this section. So we added 600 pixel because our website width layout is 1200 pixel and then you see main column content align item end. So this class we are using in main container, column container, and then you see media screen maximum width, bgcolorcontent width 100%, maximum width, minimum width. So click on publish. Now publish done. Go to Elementor page and refresh the page. Now you see image cover full width but column content not exceed website width layout but column background color full width. Now you see. Now reduce screen size like this. Now back to Elementor page. On top you see mobile portrait, so click on it. Now you see mobile column Now you see mobile layout good. If you want, you can add mobile padding according to your requirement. Now we are in advanced, you see padding, and then you see image cover full width. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.